Hey everyone, I'm Mike from Rogala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. If you're looking to speed up your photo editing workflow in Adobe Lightroom Classic, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to share the top 10 keyboard shortcuts that every photographer should know. These shortcuts will help you to navigate Lightroom more efficiently so you can spend less time clicking around and more time bringing your creative visions to life. Later in the video, I'll let you know how you can download all of the keyboard shortcuts for Lightroom Classic. So let's get started. Shortcut number 1 is G, which takes you to the grid view in the library module. This view is perfect for browsing through your photos to quickly find the ones you want to edit and also to cull them and all that kind of stuff. Next up, when you've selected your photo and you're ready to start editing, press D to jump right into the develop module. It's here that the magic happens, where you can adjust settings like exposure, contrast, and saturation to make your photo pop. If you're in need of a closer look at your photo, E switches to loop view in the library module, focusing on a single image for detailed inspection. For those moments when you want to focus solely on your photo without any distractions, L activates the lights out mode. Press it once to dim your interface, twice for a full blackout background. It's a game changer when evaluating your edits. Adjusting brush sizes quickly is crucial for efficient editing. Use the bracket keys to increase or decrease your brush tool size. This little shortcut is a huge time saver for local adjustments. Hey, I'm not sure if you knew this or not, but I have a photography newsletter that you can sign up for. I'll include my latest videos, expert photography tips, and all the exciting news from Rogala Photography. Sign up now and never miss an update on enhancing your photography skills and keeping up with my journey as a photographer and with my site. You can sign up in the link in the description below. It's free and it's spam free. I absolutely hate spam, so I will not be sending you any. When you sign up today, you'll also get a PDF download that includes all of the keyboard shortcuts for Lightroom Classic. Use the link in the description below to receive your download. Also, while you're down there, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. It really does help the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Spot removal is a very common task, and Q gets you there fast by activating the spot removal tool. It's perfect for cleaning up all those pesky distractions. Need to see more or fewer options on your screen? T toggles the toolbar's visibility, giving you control over the display tools. To really focus on your work, F cycles through different screen modes. Whether you prefer normal, full screen with menu, or full screen, this shortcut has you covered. Bringing photos into Lightroom is the first step in your editing workflow. Command or Control, Shift, and I opens the import dialog, making it easy to start working on your new shots. And then finally, when you're done editing and ready to share your masterpiece, Command Control E exports your photos. This dialog lets you choose formats, sizes, and more, tailoring to your export to fit your needs. If you want me to do a video on export settings, leave a comment in the description below. There you have it, 10 keyboard shortcuts that will transform the way you work in Adobe Lightroom Classic. Remember, it's all about making the process as efficient and enjoyable as possible. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. It really does help. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.